Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find first derivative. For this one, we can apply about the quotient rule of derivative. So for this one, we have y equals to 8 over b. So if we do first derivative, we need to do first derivative of 8 multiplied by b minus we need to do first derivative of b multiplied by 8 over b squared. Now we can apply the formula in here, and that should be like this. So first derivative of cosine phi t, that is about negative number 5 sine phi t, and we keep t square going here. This one we have negative 2t cosine phi t, and this one we have t to the power of 4. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.